Becoming profitable in 2024. What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to another YouTube video. So if you're watching this right now, it's probably because you're not profitable yet, but I'm going to give you 5 steps which I suggest you follow in order to get yourself on track for 2024. So without further ado, grab a notebook and a pen. Let's jump straight into the video. Point number 1, choosing the right market. Over the past few years of mentoring and teaching traders, I've realized most traders that fail are trading the most volatile of instruments. Yes, it may be fun trading gold, it may be fun trading equities, maybe fun trading crypto, but if it's costing you money, you're wasting your time. Go to the majors, look at Euro dollar, that's Euro USD, look at Aussie dollar, AUD USD. Trade something that is a lot less volatile and something that's less likely to screw you over. So that's point number 1, choose the right market for your level of expertise. Point number 2, trading a strategy. Now for myself, I trade a macro long short strategy. There are many other strategies out there. I like to personally use fundamental and technical analysis to go ahead and find a bias and execute a trade, but there are loads of strategies. And on a side note, I'm going to be doing a strategy review series on the channel where I'll be reviewing ICT, SMC, basic support and resistance, Wyckoff, and so much more. So perfect time to say hit the subscribe button, hit the bell notification, and drop a comment what strategy you want me to review. But point number 2, pick a strategy. Whether you're trading ICT, great. I want you to focus solely on that. Find a strategy that can be repeated over and over again in the right market, and that's all you need to do. That is something that you can go ahead and use to build an edge for yourself in markets in 2024. So let's repeat that. That is choosing the right market, point number 1. And point number 2 is trading the right strategy for your personality. Once you've chosen the right market and you have a strategy to use, the third most important part is money management. You have to be able to manage your risk. It does not matter what you trade, how good your strategy may be. If you are not managing your money, you have to start doing that today. Now, what does that look like? For myself, I like to slice and dice my risk up. So what does that mean? That means if I want to lose $1,000 today, I have the opportunity as the trader to decide whether I'm going to split that up in 2 positions, in 1 position, in 5 positions. I give myself the opportunity to know how many strikes I have at the bat. Now, for me personally, all that does for me is it puts less pressure on me as a trader. I know that, okay, if I lose a position, it's not the end of the world because I factored that risk in. Risk management and money management is the most underrated strategy in markets. If you can successfully manage your risk, you will be profitable in 2024. And folks, a lovely saying that I love, remember, I said lovely too many times there, but a quote I love remembering is, if you can get away from zero bound, if you can just get away from break even, you're playing with the market's money every time. That's all you're doing over and over again until you hit that monthly profit target, until you hit that quarterly profit target, and you just repeat. You're repeating the cycle. So that's point number 3 is risk management and money management. And always remember, you want to get away from zero bound so that you're playing with the market's money. Point number 4 is market psychology. And folks, if you can get your mind right before you enter the market, you are ahead of 90% of traders. The reality is, and these are broker statistics, that over 90% of people blow 90% of their capital in less than 90 days, in less than 90 trades. Now, if you go ahead and think about that, if 90% of people are blowing all their money in less than 3 months, what are they doing? They're rushing, they're trading multiple strategies, they're trading multiple markets, they're not managing their money, which is the first 3 points, right? And they have no market psychology. A good market psychology tip is knowing that you do not understand and you are not controlling the market, right? You are simply merely speculating on where something could or should be trading by the end of the day, the end of the week, should your analysis play out, be that fundamental or technical. Now, what most people do is they go ahead with the expectation that they're always going to win, which is not the case, and they're not ready for a loss. Most trading systems are not ready for a losing trade. And the reality is, if we do not know the outcome of the very next trade, guaranteed, how can we go all in? How can we bet at all knowing that there is a risk we could be wrong? So a very good market psychology tip is to treat every trade like it could be a losing trade. This will keep your expectations at bay. More importantly, allow you to manage your risk in the right market or trading the right strategy. Folks, that was the 4th point. Let's go to the next one. Point number 5, withdraw your profits. This dream of compounding an account until you're going to be rich and life's going to be amazing does not work. When you have some profits, lock it in, pull it back, go again. Reward yourself for your efforts. This is a very big thing that will make you profitable in 2024 is if you pay the trader. Reward that discipline. Reward the fact that you stuck to your plan. Reward yourself for the efforts that you've put in so that you can go again. Subconsciously, what you're doing for your mind is you're programming yourself to know that if you want that reward again, you're gonna have to be disciplined, you're gonna have to follow your plan, you're gonna have to manage your risk, you're gonna have to trade that one strategy, you're gonna have to trade the same market, and you're gonna have the right psychology so that you can get that reward again and again and again and again. And folks, that is a very big key part of trading, is to pay the trader. Let the trader get that reward so that they know what it tastes like, they know what it feels like, and they wanna go again, right? So folks, those are my 5 tips. Remember, choose a market, right? Find a strategy that works for you and your personality, okay? Manage your money and manage your risk. Point number 4, keep that psychology in check. And point number 5, pay the trader, right? That's it from me. Hope you enjoyed this video. Do like, comment, share this to a friend. And like always, I'll see you on the very next video. Take care. Peace out.